Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get lower ping in Fortnite. So first things first, go ahead and open your Fortnite, and from here we're just going to go ahead and click our profile here, and then we're going to open settings. Now after opening settings, here in the display you want to make sure that you have already opened window mode, or you can also click full screen for this one. Full screen is actually going to be very good for me, so I'm going to choose that one. For the resolution, you can choose the base resolution, which is this one here. I'm using 1920 by 1080p for my monitor, but you can actually downgrade this one. Say for example, go to like 1600 by 900, or you can also go to 720p. And then after that one, you want to make sure that the frame rate limit is only up to 60 if your internet is not that strong, or if you don't have a very good graphics card. Now in my case, I've already tried 60 FPS and it's working just fine. Now we're going to go here in the rendering mode, and as you can see here, performance is a mode that offers significant performance gains by disabling most rendering features to reduce memory usage and lighten the load on CPU and GPU. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this one here. Alright, there you go. Now the next thing that we are going to do is this one here, the settings. Now for the settings, I'm going to change mine. Instead of auto, I'm going to choose where I am right now. This is Asia, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. There you go. And then we're going to go down here to the bottom. Alright, there you go. So we have the replays. We're going to make sure that we're going to turn these off. So replays takes the download speed, and you don't want that to happening. Another thing is the energy saving. Again, you want to make sure that you have the best performance. What you're going to do is turn these off. Now we're going to go ahead and apply all these things. I'm going to click restart now. Now the second thing that we are going to do is that you have to make sure that you are connected via LAN cable. In your case, you might be connected to a Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi can sometimes be unstable. So using the Ethernet is actually going to be the best option for you if you are using gaming. Even if you are using Wi-Fi 6E, there is still a chance for you to experience intermittent connection. So again, using the Ethernet cable is going to be the best option for you. Now for the third thing, we're going to go ahead and use another DNS. So go ahead and click this one here, change adapter options. And then we're going to right click for that, and we're going to hit properties. Now we're going to click this one here, IPv4. Now here what you're going to use is either of the two DNS. So this one here is Cloudflare. Another thing that you can use is this one here. So you can choose between the two and see which one fits to you best. I think Google is also doing a very good job here, but there was something that I was doing earlier and then I had to replace it with Cloudflare DNS. Now go ahead and click OK. Click OK once again, and then we're going to go ahead, and the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to open Manager. Alright, so this is the device manager. Go ahead and click network adapters, and then this is the network adapter for my Ethernet cable, so I'm going to right click this one, and then we're going to go ahead and update this driver here. So as you can see, I have the latest driver already installed, so I'm going to go ahead and click close. Now another thing that we are going to do is right click it once again. We're going to open properties, and then we're going to click power management. Now as you can see here, I have selected allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This is actually not going to do you well if you are using this for gaming. So go ahead and disable this one, and then it will automatically disable this one as well. Go ahead and click OK. Now the next thing that we are going to do is basically right click it once again, click properties, and we're going to click advanced. Now there are a few things here that we are going to disable. This one here, advanced EEE. So basically I've already disabled mine. Another thing is this one here, energy efficient Ethernet. We're going to disable this one as well. And last but not least is green Ethernet. We're also going to disable this one. Now another thing that we are going to do is scroll down here, and we're going to look for speed and duplex, this one here. You have to make sure that it is set to auto negotiation, because if you are going to choose any one of here, there might be some problem that you are going to experience. So let's just basically leave the task for our PC. Go ahead and click OK, and congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to do it. Go ahead and open your Fortnite once again, and then start playing and see if it works. Please comment down below to see if this has been helpful. Otherwise, you may also leave some helpful tips for the others to follow.